Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. It's Jenny and it's funky format time. That's right. I found us a deal that your fur babies are going to love, and so are you. Because it's going to save you almost 70%. Not 60, 70% on something for your fur babies. And you know you want to know, so like and share the video. Please, please, please. We are doing awesome on the views, and I so appreciate it because you know YouTube is wanting 1,000 these days, and well, we're putting in the effort. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet and you're just stopping by, well, you don't want to miss any of our funky format deals, our regular field trip videos, our awesome information that I give you every day. So look below and subscribe. Do it now so you don't forget, and we'll bring you a deal every day. And of course, everyone, leave me the comment that YouTube wants to hear. That's really so important, guys. Everything together is great, but leave a comment too. It's so important. I mean, hitting all those little boxes they send for us to check, that's what they're looking for. So, sharing it, liking it, or not liking it, it doesn't matter to them which one, leaving a comment, and allowing the video to play all the way to the end, including those ads, please. That helps us stay out there in the feed so other people can see us, and we can help other folks. Alright, speaking of helping other folks, make sure you read the comments. Thank you, Brenda. Like I said, helping other folks. And you can help out the channel by using that super thanks button like Miss Brenda does. I truly appreciate it. I mean, even a small bit helps with these field trips these days. So, truly appreciate any assistance from my crazy friends. And blessings be. Alright, guys. Let's hop into what the deal is today. Well, we've got these begging strips for $8.50, and we've got a $5 earn on these begging strips, and it is a limited one-time use only, and it's for one only. So we're going to save actually $6 on these begging strips because they're on sale for $8.50. They're regularly $9.50. So the $9.50 is on sale for $8.50. Make sure you scan and make sure that all of these have the earn attached. Like I said, it's a one-time use only. That's the only bad thing about this deal. So go get your fur babies some begging strips. And now you're going to earn $5. You want to do something else for your fur babies? Well, we've got something else that you can do for your fur babies. We've got some free dog food. Well, it will be free because you're going to use your $5 earn to pay for it. It is $6.75 Beneful dog food, and you've got a $2 coupon, which is going to make that $4.75. So that $5 earn will pay for your dog food. So, guys, that's a definite winner chicken dinner for $8, for less actually, because you won't even for $8.50, you're going to get dog food and a big bag of snacks. So that's an awesome deal, guys. Now, we still do have in play that $5 off of 2 of the small puppy chow. That's $15. You'll get $5 off. And then we now have a $3 off the bigger dog chow bag. Alrighty, before we end this video today, we're going to talk about our 7 days of savings. And today's savings is on the BOGO free notebooks and journals and pens. So buy one, get one free today. That's your 7 days of savings. And tomorrow we're looking at the Dixie products. And if you need some litter for your other fur babies, well, we've got to save $2 on some Scoop Away, which is going to make that $9.75 for 20 pounds. Another good deal, guys. So there is your funky format. Quick pick deal for the day. I love you bunches. I'll see you next time. We got a Love's Diapers super low out of pocket deal coming up. Make sure you don't miss it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go right ahead and subscribe, and that way you won't miss it. I'll see you there. Blessings.